What an amazing view we have here today. So today another nice backcountry off-piste snowboard run with my friends here, and this was the first time we found this drop from this side of the mountain. There's a normal route you can take on the other side of the mountain, but this one was the first time we tried this side of the mountain, and you can see the snow was pretty good but not amazing. Especially the lower we went, the worse the snow became. But here you can see it's some nice powder snow. You can see the powder snow rushing up behind my board, and the views were actually amazing. The view we had was some kind of, or the run we had actually was a bit like some clouds. You can see already here popping up. So it was an amazing run, but also the difficulty here was the fact that we sometimes were not fast enough, and we sometimes had to go up a mountain again, so it was a bit difficult navigating. And here you can actually see that on top of or below this little powder snow there were some stone rocks, and you will see here in a bit what happens if you don't anticipate enough those stone rocks underneath the nice powdery snow which did fall before the day before. And here you can see this is what happens. You fall, you lose control, and especially again I was anticipating a bit in the distance getting some speed, so I had to take a nosedive and experience what it means to lose control of your board. And you can see really here some snow blocks falling, but there's no hazard really here of having an avalanche. And I think that's one of the most important things when you do go snowboarding backcountry off-piste, is that you do have to take into consideration what kind of risk are we taking here avalanche wise. Obviously it's not a lot of snow which is laying here, so there's not really much snow that can move or that can go loose from the underside of the snow. Plus there's also not a lot of steep areas here, and here you can see that it is quite flat actually at some points, and as I said, at some points it even goes up. But it was an amazing run. I really enjoyed it, and it is really nice to explore these mountains with your friends and do some kind of adventuring. I think that's one of the more fun things here. You try to find your way down, and that's part of the adventure. It's not only the snowboarding, it's really the whole trip down that makes it so amazing, and that's why I like it so much. But it is sometimes also a bit dangerous, and I think the most dangerous part here actually in this run is what you can see here are the snow rocks and the real rocks. So the real rocks are actually more dangerous, because sometimes, especially on these routes, there's a reason why this is not an official piste. It's probably because there are some unexpected holes or maybe some rocks along the way, so you have to be careful. But in the end, this is a well calculated run. Let's say it's not that we did something crazy here, but at least this is the first part of this amazing run. I will have a second and third part normally of this run, and that will come later. But I really enjoyed it. Like for more videos and enjoy the next part when it comes online. See you. Bye bye.